The Elevate Volvo P3 air intake J-pipe is engineered to provide maximum power and torque for the 3-liter T6 engine. This is achieved by increasing both flow and capacity of the J-shaped pipe between the factory air intake and the turbocharger. The factory J-pipe has a resonator section integrated to reduce intake sound. This resonator section creates turbulence and restricts flow just before the turbo inlet. Made in the USA of mandrel bent aluminum construction, Elevate's design allows greater and unrestricted airflow into the turbo, yielding more power and quicker turbo response. A bright silver thermal coating reflects heat and helps keep the intake charge cool. High-quality black 4-ply silicone hoses with clamps are included to complete the installation. For even better heat management, Elevate's P3 air intake J-pipe is available from Elevate with thermal wrapping. To learn more, visit www.elevatecars.com.